Noun. Noun are words that name people, place, animal, things, and idea. Second. Can anyone give me what is noun? Then living words. Yes. And you? Name, place, animal.
Name, place, animal, thing.
What is this stand and tell? Name, place, animal, thing. Sit. Okay. How many kinds of nouns here are? Second. Six. Yes. What is your problem?
Yes.
You telling someone. You both of you shut your mouth.
मेरा नहीं बोला
What?
मेरा नहीं बोला
What is talking? You stand up, go and stand up.
He is telling
Go and stand up.
मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं बोलता हूँ
Go and stand up. Go and stand up. Why are you talking continuously? Go. I will turn the camera. Go and stand up. Shut your mouth. Go and stand up at all. Go and stand up. Do someone. Idiot. Yeah, having 5 types of nouns.
मेरी बुक कहीं भूल
What?
अरे डिटेल
Why are you talking in Hindi? Take Alima, put the minus 10 in. I can put. You should only put. I can put. Take.
Nothing ये कर अरे गिव दी
Put that in means English column. Then Abdul Samad. And we are having 5 types of nouns. See, Abdul Samad. You are not talking to me. I am not telling about you this boy. We are having 5 types of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and proper noun. Yes. Aisha, somebody singing. You want minus 10?
telling go
Is someone else telling?
yes
He's telling data he's telling data. He's telling
not
give you a slap. Can anyone tell me what is proper noun? Then the name of my no.
proper noun means inside of proper noun we will come
No, proper noun means special name. Special name like place.
means that taking the name and telling SPS they are like proper noun
Particular name. School. We are telling with a particular name is called proper name. My school name is.
I don't like sentences I don't SPS
No, we have to write.
you telling don't school don't
Okay, you tell what's the sentence my school name is. My school name is Aditya. Wait.
that is proper noun
Proper noun means in that
स्पेशली तेरी
special.
कर आ रहे मेरे बारे में हाँ
Abdul Samad, what do you feel? Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. I am fasting. I will get angry and see what I will do to you.
you're not teacher
Shut your mouth.
he's telling what you will do
Yes, we cannot sit in last. Go and sit in last and you. Go.
I'm not here on nursery
Now it is my period. Go and sit in your place. Go.
your name is
Shut your mouth. You go sit there. You go. You go. I will turn the camera.
अरे नहीं बैठना जी
It is not turning. See. What shall I do?
I will move
Go. Go. Okay. Example. What you are doing? You're not telling us my school is this. that now.